Magandang hapon po ng December 12, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 12, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 12, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 264 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 223 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for December 12, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.